Today we're looking around our 2015 Mazda MX-5 Sport, finished in Arctic White. This vehicle is on 11,300 miles with one previous owner. It's been well serviced during that time and the MOT isn't due until September of 2025. The average tread depth at the moment is 6.2 millimeters. All the wheels and bodywork is in really good condition. You can also see this is the soft top version. This vehicle has £11,000 worth of upgrades from BBR in the main. You can see the full BBR catback exhaust there. This also has the performance springs from BBR, as well as the bilstein shocks. You might just about be able to see underneath there. This also has the Stage 1 turbo pack, as well as the Willwood 4-pot brakes and upgraded rotors, which you can see there. It also has the Whiteline front and rear anti-roll bars. I'll just open the bonnet so you can see inside now. Just taking a closer look at the engine bay now. You can see all of the different silicone hoses down here, as well as the K&N cone filter. Also got the BBR turbo badge there, with the actual turbo over there. Looking at the passenger side now, you can see that the Arctic White exterior continues through to the interior with the black leather and red stitching. The seat is all in good condition, as you'd expect for the mileage. You can also see the Bose speakers at the top there. You've also got the little cup holder over there. Looking in the boot now, see there's a decent amount of room for storage all the way around. Also got the toolkit over there and the puncture repair kit there. Finally, moving on to the driver's side, again the door card and seat are both in really good condition. See, this also has the retrimmed Alcantara flat bottom steering wheel, so gives you a little more room inside. There's very light wear on the wheel, as this was only done a year ago. Just looking at the interior of the vehicle now, starting off on the right, you can see the lane assist buttons over there. You've also got automatic wipers and lights. On the main wheel itself, you've got an array of different controls, including that for cruise control. On the main display, you can connect your phone, as well as access your maps. All of the manual dials down here. Obviously you also have the auto for fan and direction there, as well as the heated front seats. This is of course the manual version as well. And finally, see the convertible here is fully manual. So you lower that and then latch into place like that. So we'll just let the vehicle warm up and hear how it sounds. So we've let the vehicle warm up and we'll just hear how it sounds. I hope that video was informative. If you're interested in purchasing the vehicle, our contact details will appear on the screen shortly.